Yo. Yo. This PC looking really cool, bro. I can feel the airflow, bro. This PC is looking really, really cool. This is just a PC case in the fans. Like the actual PC isn't even in here because I don't have an ITX motherboard. So this is the actual motherboard and everything. All the fans are just plugged into that. This is what the PC is mainly gonna look like. It's gonna have some RGB RAM there, but it's gonna look pretty cool. Like and subscribe. Let's try and get to 50 subs. No, let's start at 25. Let's try and get to 25 subs. Let's go. Looking pretty cool.